things simply got out of hand. The whole cryptocurrency market is expanding, but Shiba Inu's situation is different. Although the price chart is green, this is not what was anticipated to happen over a $50 trillion market. Shiba Inu is currently in danger, and the effects we might see over the next few days might be insane, something we have never seen in our entire history. But what's really happening, and should we panic? Let me explain. First of all, the cryptocurrency market is in complete meltdown right now. Prices for almost all cryptocurrencies are soaring, and Ethereum alone has increased by nearly 20% in less than a day. This is especially crazy because Ethereum has a massive market cap, which makes such huge percentage gains extremely rare. To put this into perspective, smaller cryptocurrencies, like a little boat, can experience tremendous volatility because it takes less capital to influence their pricing. On the other hand, larger cryptocurrency ships remain constant, making substantial price movements more difficult. Although it takes a lot of money to generate big price changes in larger cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, like the cruise liner, Ethereum's 20% growth in such a short period of time is nearly unprecedented. What's fascinating is that this amazing surge in Ethereum is also dragging. The success of Ethereum is pushing other cryptocurrencies up with it. Notably, Shiba Inu, which is built on the Ethereum blockchain, is also feeling the ripple effect, which is massively creating a wave of positivity across the entire market. But what is happening, how long will it last, and what's going on with our beloved Shiba Inu coin? Let's find out. It all comes down to a buzz around a crypto ETF similar to what we saw in January with Bitcoin before the Bitcoin ETF was approved. After Bitcoin's ETF received approval, companies quickly shifted their focus to Ethereum with the goal of securing an ETF for it as well. Nearly half a year has passed with very little news or updates on the Ethereum ETF front. Renowned Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas, who focuses on cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs, revised his prediction, increasing the chance of a spot Ethereum ETF approval from 25% to 75%. The spot Bitcoin ETFs were launched in January 2024, and Balchunas, who has been crucial in covering them, shared his updated insights on X. This immediately sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency markets, causing the price of Ethereum to surge over 10% within minutes of his post. Balchunas also mentioned hearing chatter this afternoon that the SEC could be doing a 180 on-spot application process for Ethereum ETFs. Up until now, the SEC has been mostly silent on Ethereum ETFs, caught in a debate over whether to classify Ethereum as a security. Considered a negative indicator for the chances of ETF approval, however, as the deadline for several ETF decisions draws near, on May 23 and 24, the pressure on the SEC is increasing. The SEC is aware of how vocal and intense the crypto community can be, especially from their experience with the Bitcoin ETF pre-approval period, when the community was extremely pushy and even angry, demanding action and clarity. Now, with Ethereum, the pressure is even more palpable. The SEC is fully aware that approving or rejecting these ETF applications could cause a significant backlash from an already impatient and eager crypto community, and just as a result of the increased excitement in the market today, Shiba Inu has also increased by more than 6%. This is where things get interesting. Shiba Inu surged to a startling 58 trillion, a critical price level that has everyone on high alert. Shiba Inu is currently at the center of a fierce tug-of-war between bullish and bearish forces. To put that into perspective, this represents over 10% of the total Shiba Inu supply. Data from Enter the Block shows that 57,000 addresses acquired a staggering 58 trillion Shiba Inu within the current trading range of Shiba Inu. This threshold has now turned into a battleground where the value of Shiba Inu in the short term is at stake. In an attempt to spark an even greater spike in the price of Shiba Inus, bulls, optimistic traders who are tailing price increases, are rising to defend this level. On the other hand, bears, market pessimists, are pushing. The significance of this 58 trillion Shiba Inu level cannot be emphasized. It is a convergence point for market forces and investor emotion. Hoping to drive the price down and profit from possible falls. The bull's strong defense of this level could indicate that they are once again confident in the token's potential and that Shiba Inu is ready for a price increase. On the other hand, if the bears were able to cross this threshold, it might mean that they are losing support, which could result in a price decline. This would certainly affect the Shiba Inu's immediate market value. However, based on recent data, it appears that optimism outweighs pessimism within the Shiba Inu community. The statistics from the market analytics platform Glassnode reveal a remarkable trend. Though the number of wallets holding non-zero Shiba Inu balances peaked on May 15, surpassing 1.4 million, an all-time high since its inception, the Shiba Army, as it is affectionately known, has grown by approximately 100,000 million since last year. Although the number of Shiba Inu holders has slightly decreased since then, currently standing at 10,000 less, it's worth noting that this figure still represents significant growth compared to last year despite the site wallet addresses with non-zero balances falling short of the all-time high set last Wednesday. The figures as of right now show that the Shiba Army has grown by almost 100,000 members in just 1 year, and the Shiba Inu Army's strength was approximately 1.29 million last year. Now, here's something you should know. Despite fluctuations in the Shiba Inu's market value, the number of Shiba Inu holders has been steadily increasing over the past few months. In fact, during periods of explosive rallies in late February and early March, the metric even slightly declined. This is illustrated in the Glassnode's chart. What's truly remarkable is that the current number of Shiba Inu holders exceeds the combined population of 104 U.S. cities. This demonstrates the widespread adoption and community support for Shiba Inu. Data from the market intelligence platform Into the Block offers additional insights into the characteristics of Shiba Inu holders, suggesting that 76% are long-term investors who have held the asset for more than a year. In contrast, 21% of Shiba Inu holders acquired the asset within the last 12 months, indicating a growing interest in the token. It's interesting to note that just 3% of the holder the spectrum includes people who entered the Shiba Inu market during the last 30 days, which indicates a smaller percentage of new entrants than long-term holders. Nevertheless, if the Ethereum ETF is approved as expected, the cryptocurrency market may indeed see a brief decline. Term drop comparable to what transpired following the establishment of the Bitcoin ETF. But if Ethereum's price continues to rise at the same rate as Bitcoin, that is, if hundreds of millions of dollars flood in every day, it may eventually reach new all-time highs. Some analysts even predicted that during this cycle, Ethereum will reach $10,000. To get to $10,000 from where it is now, however, a 172% increase is required. It's important to remember that Ethereum previously reached its peak at $4,891 during the 2021 bull run. Reaching the $10,000 milestone would be a momentous occasion for the leading altcoin, raising its price beyond $1.2 trillion. Major market analysts, including Bitcoin advocate Jason Williams, have expressed their support for the possibility that Ethereum will reach this milestone in the current bull cycle. Similarly, bullish projections apply to Shiba Inu as well. If Shiba Inu were to follow Ethereum's trajectory and increase by 172%, it would reach a price of $4,069, falling just short of the company's all-time high of $4,088. This is a significant milestone that many Shiba Inu investors have been eagerly awaiting for more than 2 years, and at this price, Shiba Inu's market capitalization would soar to over $40 billion. However, analyst Williams believes Ethereum could reach $10,000 this season but disagrees that Shiba Inu would only hit that small in such a scenario. The projection for Shiba Inu in this market cycle is much higher than that, but what are your thoughts on that? Please leave a comment below, I'd be interested in hearing it. If you're interested in learning more, click one of the movies you see on the screen. And with that, this concludes our video. To assist me with the YouTube algorithm, if you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.